everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1962 Studebaker Lark. Very interesting car here, definitely one you don't see every day. Coming to the one we have here featuring a brown exterior, featuring a white power top. That is right, in fact 1962 you actually had a power top. White wall tires, as you can see it is a 3 on the tree. And of course we have the lovely little bench seat, old school steering wheel. Have a little matching brown interior. Of course, you have the old style crank up windows, stock gauges, old AM radio, and yeah, pretty interesting. Underneath the hood featuring a V8, not a V6 cylinder, not too slow of a car. But going into the fun information about this is definitely one of the cars that you were given in high school when Dad had his cool 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. You said, "Dad, can I drive it up the street just once?" And he said, "No, you take the old dirty Studebaker up and down the road." But again, now to this day, this is one of the rarest kind of cars you'll ever see on the road. It definitely brings in a good amount of money. But as for now, we're just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift, so stay tuned to see the interview. Oh.